is this? Knight. Golden armor. And I'm watching Guardians of the Galaxy. Look at his sword. It's red, just like him. Let's take look at this. We're gonna put the sword. Speaking Tagalog. Ako. Ching, ching. Now this guy. He is Cross Guard General.
Hello.
Look at his sword. Looks like a crystal. Look at his shield. Gonna put the shield and the sword. Look, guys. The sword falls. Look. Guys. Now it's this guy. Guys, maybe he has color blocks, because he have his legs. Look at his legs. It's invisible. Look at his sword. And it's this guy that who has a job or something. I want this hat on Roblox. I want this hat on Roblox. Look at his sword. It's maybe it's a normal sword with gonna put it right there. Yes. Wait, the final one. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Look at him. You can take his head off. And we see a black head. This is a hat. I want this too. This is so familiar to the color black to this. This is so familiar. dito.